Alright, ladies and fellers, I'm going to show you how to do a vinyl install of the pillar sticker. Not this pillar, this pillar. And it's going to be pretty easy. I'm only going to show you one time, and that's all it should take, because you should be able to rewind the video. At least I hope. What you're going to do is you're going to find your straightest edge that you have on the material that I've sent you. There should be 2 factory edges. The material should be 24 inches wide. Will be 24 inches wide. Therefore, you will have 2 straight leading edges, which is good for you and good for me and good for everybody in between. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your straight edge and put it up top. And on us Dodges, we have this pillar, or this weather stripping. You will remove that. For other people, some people don't have weather stripping like that, but for my case I do. And I'm going to do this for a lump sum video for everybody. What you'll do is you will take your straight edge, line it up across the top wherever you want it to lay. Make sure that you get your corner where you want it to be, because you don't want to lay right here and then have this big piece of paint showing. So what I do is I just go ahead and I solidify it on over there. And since I've already done mine, I'm not going to show y'all how to remove it, but here's what I would do. I would go ahead and I would take it to where you need it and then extend over an inch, go in between the doors, and do a nice clean straight cut all the way down. Boom, you got that done. Set the rest of your material up, and then you'll see that once you back it back over, you'll have plenty of material. So you go from here, and you'll have plenty of overlap. From here, you'll take it, peel your vinyl back, whichever is easiest for you how to do it. This will take me a minute because I'm always retarded when it comes to this. Oh, this is going to be the most tedious part of this damn video, I can already tell you. Alright. Peel back about 2 inches of the material, like so. And then I always just fold it back over on itself, like that, where you have adhesive showing. What you'll do is you take it and line it up where you had it. Give yourself plenty of overlap room. Take your thumb, squeegee, whatever you got. Make sure you got it nice and applied real good. I use a squeegee. You can also use an ID card. They're pretty stiff. You just need a stiff, smooth surface to push with. And then I come over here and I take this little flap and I peel it back slow, about halfway down. Hold my material close to the truck. Take my squeegee and just start running down real smooth. I didn't peel my piece here. Y'all might want to do that because it makes the job 10 times easier. And then just follow it all the way on down. Push it down past the point where you want it to go, so it's nice and applied there. And for those of you doing a Dodge, you'll pull that and you'll be able to lay all the way across without having to worry about that weather stripping or whatever you want to call it. So now that we have it laid, the trim procedure goes as such. Come up here to your top, hold your corner out real good, sharp knife, lay your blade against the edge of the door and just go straight down. Try to make it one continuous cut so you don't have jagged lines. There's that side trimmed. What you'll do is you'll come across here, rub your thumb all the way along it, and that will get that edge. On this edge here, same thing as this edge here. You'll have the window down, seal out, and you'll just run along this edge all the way down to the bottom. me, I'm just going to go ahead and kind of trim out around that seal so that we can just get the show on the road. You can do it my way, the way that I'm doing it now, or you can do it as I had described. And there's that. That's laid all the way across the top. And then here, I'll take my squeegee, ID card, whatever it is that I'm using at the time. Just for purposes, I will use my driver's license. I use it as a straight edge. I figure out where I want it to be. I like mine even with the bottom of the seal. Make a nice straight edge. Line everything back up. Boom, you've got that there done. And you can either leave it like that, or you can do as the original factory Dodge intention was, and come back in here and trim out just a little corner. Call it good. And that, my friends, is how you install a pillar vinyl. Now go get it did.